Hello everyone, I am teaching 100 plus unique web application security issues in just 20 hours. With this course you can apply for security testing jobs or you can do bug bounty from home. Watch from lesson 0 guys, otherwise you will not be creative. Search in YouTube Uday Datrak bug bounty. This is a separate playlist to learn in 20 hours. Hi guys, now we will see user enumeration on one of the internal page. If you have watched my 20 hours of video before, you know how to identify parameter and its values. Now you came across one request within the burp suite. You could see something like like page name question mark or some parameter id equal to 1, and if you visit that page it is showing some username or email address, phone number guys. Now in order to do the user enumeration, what you're gonna do is you simply increment id equal to 1. That means it is showing your username or your phone number, your email address. Now if you change that id equal to 2, it is showing other user information guys. If it is showing 3, it is showing the another username, username 4, like this. So you can easily enumerate all the usernames in the application and check for default password for all these users if you are doing an unauthenticated penetration testing guys. But bug bounties you should not try to identify, guess the password for the users. Your job for the user enumeration is to identify users. The reason what I am saying is, if hacker finds all the usernames, then you will try to brute force for passwords for that. So you don't need to know the username itself in order to do the username enumeration. Sometimes by incrementing the numbers for the parameter values, you can easily identify the user enumeration guys. Thank you.